Hello and welcome everyone. We are at IMTEX 2023 and we are having with us Mr. Rajesh Ghashi, who is the Managing Director of Chiron Group, a German-based company who has come with a very unique innovation featuring a very compact machine manufacturing a precise components. So let's hear from Mr. Rajesh what they are having to tell us about their machining.
Today we have quite a revolutionary machine what we have introduced from the Factory 5 Chiron Group. This is a Micro 5 machine and what we speak here is a very compact footprint of the machine, 1 meter by 1 meter. This machine is unique in itself. It has a spindle of up to 80,000 RPM. It can have around 40 tools, plus it has a pallet changer which can hold up to 6 pallets. The machine is compact and the main what we call we target component size of 50 by 50 by 50.
That's
so
amazing.
It's very micro precision precise components what we are targeting, and the market for this would be precision engineering, watch manufacturing, jewelry, and the most important factor of this is as you're working towards sustainability, environment friendly products.
Correct.
This machine uses 50 times less power than a normal CNC machining center.
That's really
That means
amazing.
this machine works at 230 volts, 16 amps.
Correct.
So it is just like a coffee maker working, and this machine is offered into 3 different types.
Okay.
What we can have a standalone machine, we can have a machine with a R&D facility, so you have a tabletop along with the machine. You get a table and a chair and a big screen, and if you want to atomize it as a factory, you can have a feed 5. You can still have an palletization of the machine where the components are fed to the machine automatically.
That's amazing.
So you have a lot of various options available to have a complete factory setup in a small space.
Correct. That is amazing. As you all heard, it's a compact machine giving us solutions for all the precise components. And what expectations do your company have from sir?
We expect a lot of people to come visit us, talk to them, and we are here to provide them our manufacturing solutions.
That's really amazing.
We are welcoming most of our customers and prospective ones,
That's really amazing.
and we would be happy to meet them face to face after a long time.
Correct. So if you want to explore their innovation, please visit them at IMTEX 2023. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.